How I applied what I learned, the Dishoom concept, and creating a consultancy brand for Kerala Canteen. I didn't just study Dishoom, I just applied the thinking behind it. Today, I will show you exactly what I took from Dishoom, how I built the Kerala Canteen brand concept as a consultancy. I am Chef Bobby Geetha from Great British Menu and MasterChef. You must have seen me, or please Google Bobby Geetha. I build or create consultancy brands like Kerala Canteen and Nesso, but more importantly, I create restaurant systems that makes you to run a consistently successful restaurant brands over a period of time. Because great food alone doesn't build demand. You need a system to run it smoothly. Stop trying to be better. Start trying to be different. That gives you an edge. What studying Dishoom taught me this, people don't come for the food, how it made them feel, how the restaurant, the team made them feel. And that's how you build a restaurant with a repeat customer. People come back to. So how you make them feel, what the experience given, the vibe of the restaurant make them come back to you often. What I learned from Dishoom. So when I studied about Dishoom, it's not a restaurant concept, it's a system. It's a system driven restaurant industry, restaurant concept. So it's identity, the experience, the consistency, the systems. So that makes a Dishoom successful. So how I applied the same concept when creating consultancy for Kerala Canteen, I didn't copy Dishoom, I translated the thinking. So identity, instead of a typical Indian restaurant or typical South Indian restaurant, we built Kerala tapas. So Toddy shop inspired, small plates, bold flavors. This creates immediate, differentiation. How other restaurants in Leeds, in the Yorkshire, were marketed or was already established. So creating an identity, we are not, Kerala Canteen is not competing with the established restaurants. We already differentiated what the product, what the concept we are going to bring to the market. Experience design. So like Dishoom, we created the concept, experience, how we bringing to the market, the sharing concept, the sharing plates, the energy, the vibe, fast-paced dining. Dining because becomes social, conversation between our team to convert, the idea behind Kerala Canteen, how to order, what the dishes, the sharing concept, everything, and we just serve the food as and when it's ready. So we don't have to bring the starters together, the mains together. But now all the tapas comes together. Okay, that's people demand it how they want it, but they can share, pinch from other people, share, having a laugh, having a family meeting, a business meeting, everything. So that is what Kerala Canteen bought. So menu engineering, learning from Dishoom, it's all, each dish is there for a purpose. So we just, pick a protein. We don't repeat the protein to bring to small plates. We always, every 3 months or every month, basically we see what is a trend, what people are ordering, how we can, tweak these dishes to make it more efficient, more, value for money. When the concept is right, the marketing is easy. So we always market as the world's first Kerala tapas restaurant for Kerala Canteen, and it became easy. People understand the tapas concept, the sharing concept. It became easy for us to market. What you can learn, from the concept. Don't try to copy the recipes from other restaurants or the chefs. It's always create the system, copy it better, how you can tweak it, and always, adjust your recipes, adjust your dishes as per the system.